Coach Brenda here, coming to you. I just wanted to come on for a quick minute and let you know that I am preparing to do a workshop called Rise Above the Pressure. And you're probably saying, okay, what is that about? Well, this is all about rising above high blood pressure. You can rise above it. It's all about taking the steps and focusing in on your health. So I'm going to be talking about that coming up on April 25th, which is a Thursday night at 7 p.m. And it will be a Zoom meeting. So I'm encouraging you to sign up. I will put the link in below this video so that you can sign up for my workshop, Rising Above the Pressure. All right, so I just wanted to encourage you, get ready because it's going to be insightful. I'm going to give you a lot of information that will help you to make some decisions to improve your blood pressure. And we're also going to talk about signs and symptoms. We're going to talk about some things that you can do, changing your diet to improve your health. All right, so I'll see you there April 25th at 7 p.m. Thursday night. Sign up and be ready to take plenty of notes concerning